Hi everybody, Troy here from Troy's Hobbies, back again for another quick unboxing and trial. I ordered it's a 3-piece taco holder set made out of stainless steel. Bought it from Amazon. It's made by Gesentur, I believe. I'll have the links down below, check it out. So let's go ahead and go over to my patio over here and let's open the box up and actually try it out. I gotta make some tacos really quick. Up here it is. It's a set of 3 stainless steel taco holders. So there's one. This is the second one. Third one. Stainless steel. 2, 3. That's what it looks like. Hopefully you guys can see it on video. This would be great for also serving. So the you know how you try and put everything on your taco and it kind of flips over and everything falls out? Well, you can put this on a hot, you know, some type of plate that's safe for hot food. That, you know, you don't want to put it on a plastic plate or something. Put these on your plate to serve it. If you're the person that just eats 2 tacos, which is not me, you can serve it this way. Put it down on a plate like that. 1, 2 tacos. Flip it upside down. It'll hold 3 tacos. 1, 2, 3. This is what they look like up close. 3 of them, stainless steel. See if you can get I'm trying to get this in a better light. Make sure you check out the description. I believe it's BPA free and all this stuff, and safe. Of course, safe for the dishwasher. I remind everybody that these are dishwasher safe. All you got to do is put them in the dishwasher just like that. Look at that. Get the dishwasher going. Excuse the sniffles. I just finished mowing the lawn over here, and it's allergies and fall. So here I am sniffling. I apologize in advance. So roughly, it is 8 inches long, and it's in the description. I believe it's 4 inches. Yeah, 4 inches wide, 8 inches long, and I believe the width is, width, or the thickness is 2 inches. All right, back. I went ahead and gave them a quick wash. So let's go ahead and see how many we can fit on one tray here. Got some El Paso tacos here, hard shell. So you can be creative with this. I think you can put like soft shell, you know, regular tortillas in here, and then put them in the oven to give them a little bit of curvature. So there's 1, 2, but of course I forgot I want 3. So flip them upside down, and you can warm up 3 tacos. 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9. So that's what it looks like. See, tacos ain't going anywhere. But the nice thing about it is once you're done, it's done warming up, and you take them out. You know, use some tongs, or you know, you can just put them right on your plate like that, and go ahead and start filling them. So that's what we're going to do now. Sorry for the noise of the fan. But there they are in there, pulling it out in 6 minutes. So let's go ahead and pull it out, see what it looks like. There you go. Little brown all the way around. Alright, I'm doing this all one-handed in my small little kitchen. But anyways, here, I'm going to use these tongs because they're a little warm. See if they fit on the plate. This is all new to me. This is going to make it nice for serving too, so it doesn't flop over and everything just fall out. So I like that. Simple. And like I say, you flip it over. If you're only going to eat 2 tacos, just flip it over on the other side. For tonight's tacos, just wanted to show you really quick. I'm using carne asada taco meat. Alright, I didn't want to show you guys me scooping carne asada meat into the taco shells. I think you guys know how to do that. But here's the first step, carne asada. I'm a messy taco maker. I like I like refried beans in my burritos. I also like it in my tacos. Don't judge me. That's how I make it. So let's go ahead and just, I'm a messy taco maker. I like this. I'm doing this. Here I am doing it one-handed. So I think I'm gonna order another set. So with another set, I can do total 18, because I order the El Paso 18 count taco shells. So that's just perfect, because plus for serving. You know, imagine giving this to a guest just like that. That's pretty cool, I think. Okay, some tomatoes. I'm gonna stuff these. My tomatoes I got a bunch of tomatoes in my garden. They're all overripe, so these got kind of mushy, but they'll still work. Jalapenos, my favorite. Had a bunch in my garden, and this year I forgot to plant some. I can my own jalapenos, but this is going to be so good. Well, look at this. I'm holding my iPhone with one hand. I'm doing this all with the other hand, so it helps out a lot. Let me wash my hands. And next is my favorite, tapatio. Grew up in San Diego eating this with everything. So, and like I said, I forgot the cheese, and like I said, I'm 15 miles away from the nearest small town grocery store. Some sour cream, crema mexicana. So I'm going to be a little liberal. Don't judge. Make your tacos the way you want to. Well, that's it. Let's go ahead and take it outside where the lighting is better. Well, there it is, folks. Done. This is the Gesentur. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. The company, Gesentur. They also make a oven tray. So I think I'm going to be trying that out. I like this product. So, see what it looks like up again before I start chewing down on it. It's nice because it holds everything up without flopping over. So it's great for serving it to your family and friends just like this. So let's give it a try. Carne asada. That's good. Well, that's it, folks, with this review for the 3-piece taco shell holder. You'll find this video on YouTube and on Amazon. I'm a big Amazon reviewer. So you guys have a good day. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, hit that notification button, that little bell. You guys have a good day. Bye-bye.